Hi everyone, today we're going to unbox the brand new 2024 Yarbo Blower, so let's get started. So first you have to cut out all of these tape on the accessory box. Yeah, so this is our accessory box. The first layer, we have the certified right here and the user manual for the Yarbo cord. And remove the first layer, you see the all the accessories and the attachment right here. We have the tow hitch, antenna on the main body, and the smart system module, and so many parts, and the wire charger, and the tools, and the RTK data sensor. And then you have to remove the cover from the Yarbo cord box. And right here we have the data sensor in front. So take it out first, and then remove all of these black silicone gel packs. And then you got the Yarbo cord main unit. And remove the cover, and you find the controller right here. Take it out first. And also the USB charger right here. And put in the battery, plug it in. Put back the cover and lift out the emergency stop button. Now let's install the antennas on the main body. So first, remove the red cap and take off, peel it off, and find your antenna. If it's winter, use the high mount. If it's the summer, use the low mount. And then easily screw it like this. And find 3 connection bolts and use Allen key to screw them carefully. Yeah, make sure to tighten it and for the both side. And now let's connect the smart system module with the Yarbo cord. And you'll find the shaft and the hose on both the cord and the smart system module. Line them up perfectly, and when it feels right, give it a little push until you hear that satisfying click. There we go, everything's in place. Now let's replace the trackside plates. So you're gonna unscrew these 4 bolts by using Allen key 2. Unscrew them carefully. Very easy, very simple. And take it out and use the one made of steel in the package and install them. Same work done by the other side. Now let's set up the halo antenna. You're gonna find it in the box. Remove the white screw cap, and you will find a black rubber. Please skip it. And grab the halo antenna and gently screw it into its mount.
Let's unbox the Yarbo Blower module. Carefully lift the blower module out of the packaging box by grasping the lifting handle at the 2 sides of the module. Remove the rubber connection cover on the connection part of blower. Locate the connection cable from the Yarbo cord. Carefully insert the cable into the port located on the blower module. Locate the shafts and holes in the Yarbo core and blower module and align the 2 parts. Locate the rubber connection cover provided and install it onto the connect-in part of blower module.
Now let's switch to handheld blower tube.
Unscrew the Y-shaped thumbscrew bolt by hand and safely preserve the bolt. Rotate and remove the rubber blower nozzle. Align the yellow arrow on the machine end of the handheld flexible blower tube with the hole. Push the tube into place. Rotate the handheld flexible blower tube until the 2 holes are aligned. Locate the Y-shaped thumbscrew bolt and screw the bolt by hand. Locate the connecting tube in the package. Align the yellow arrow on the control end of the handheld flexible blower tube with the L-shaped section on the connecting tube. Push the connecting tube into place. Rotate the connecting tube until the two yellow arrows are aligned. Locate the T-shaped thumbscrew bolts and screw it. Locate the blower tapered nozzle in the package. Align the yellow arrow on the connecting tube with the L-shaped section on the blower tapered nozzle. Push the blower tapered nozzle into place. Rotate the blower tapered nozzle until the two yellow arrows are aligned.
Now let's